You in Queenstown long?
Nah, just for another couple of days.
Where are you from?
Fiji.
I'll be there in 11 months.
Of course.
Then from there to Australia.
Oh, okay. You're traveling from somewhere?
America.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. I'm here for 12 months. So.
Oh, okay. So you've been to the North Island?
Not yet. I just came in 7 days ago to Queenstown.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What have you been up to?
Just exploring Queenstown.
Yeah.
I went to Lake Tiano.
Oh, yeah.
I saw the glowworms there. They're okay. The North Island's glowworms are better.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't been to the north yet, but I hear they're probably better.
Oh,
Yeah, just been exploring Queenstown. There's a lot to do in Queenstown.
there is like
A lot of
there's always
adventure stuff.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's been very adventure.
Yeah, I haven't done anything yet, like skydive or no. I don't think I'm going to.
Yeah.
No, 'cause I like my life.
Yeah. Just joining throughout like the pool.
Yeah. Anything free.
Yeah. It is.
Climbing the Queenstown Hill was pretty. Got a 360 video of that and a photo as well.
Yeah. We did that yesterday.
Being on top of there, it's awesome. Did you guys go to the bird nest or did you go higher up?
What we didn't read where we were going, but where we went was like a 360-degree. Oh yeah, higher than that. Higher than the bird nest.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. You saw the airport and everything.
Everything. Well, I don't know whether it's like my eyesight is on the good side, I can't tell whether it's the airport or what. But like, you know the bird nest?
Mhm.
So there's a little bit up.
Mhm.
That's where we went. I don't think you can go anywhere down there.
Well, you can, but once to a certain part, it's like private property. But people
Okay.
still do it, but we didn't. But
Yeah, I mean like it was quite a bit of a hike.
yeah. Especially going down, my knees hurt
Yeah, my
afterwards.
knees are not feeling too good today.
But going up, it was like, slow down. The people I was with was like, are in shape.
Oh, yeah, you can go control.
Yeah.
Climbing can be very.
They're like sprinters, so they're like running up.
Oh,
I think I might be sick now because of that water.
yeah. I forgot.
Yes, exactly. It is definitely worth it. You coming down with something now?
I think so. I think I should put my glasses.
I scared her away.
I know, I'm gonna grab my cup. Oh, are we coming in now?
I wanted to see dolphins. Guess we didn't go. Yeah. Excuse me.